Here we are at the University of Florida 2026 native plant sale here in Gainesville, Florida. And as you can see, we have about 50 minutes left to the go time for the sale, and we have a line of a lot of people behind me here. I'm about 11th in position here. I got here an hour and 10 minutes before this thing started. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so tell me about, we got bees here at the sale here at University of Florida native plant sale. Let's see, they're really buzzing there.
Yeah, so this is just an observation hive. This is one frame out of one colony, kind of like taking one room out of your house. So they're just on a field trip today. They're just my sort of ambassadors, if you will, just get people interested in talking about pollinators. Honeybees aren't native to the American continents at all. So, we think about honeybees not really as a conservation thing in the United States, more of an agricultural thing. That said, there are still problems in the beekeeping industry. There's problems facing backyard beekeepers. I am a bit biased as a backyard beekeeper as a hobby. But, at a native plant sale, a lot of people are here for pollinators. And that's, one of the best things people can do for pollinators is plant native plants. As well as, put out water sources, reduce pesticide usage, completely abandon pesticide usage. But these guys are gateway bugs, just to coin a phrase from Dr. Jared Daniels. So they get people interested, to get people talking about pollinators. Yes, again, they aren't native, but they're a cool little display and get people talking. So.
Well, I appreciate your stinging narration.
Of course.
Okay, we're going in here. We're seeing what's here. Seeing what we're grabbing here. Oh, yeah. Okay, so sunflower, lopsided Indian grass, yellow anise, paviforum. Wow. Honey, what do you see if you find the Yupon holly? Divine encounter, Discount items, I like that. Dogwood. All right. Any which way to Yopon holly?
Yopon holly would probably be in this section or back here.
Over here, maybe? Parking here while I try to squeeze in the tight confines. Yopon, yo mama holly, no, yo. Virginia sweet spire. River oats, here we go. River oats. First claim. All right. Bald cypress? Are you work here or are you?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
By all means. All right. I don't see Yo Mama Polly. I don't see any Yopon, or maybe that's it over there.
Oh, wow, already.
Found it? Hey, the tart's over there, honey. All right.